Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question that's been on everyone's mind. Which AI assistant reigns supreme in 2024? We're putting ChatGPT and BingAI head-to-head to see which one truly stands out. With rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, choosing the right AI assistant is becoming increasingly difficult. Should you go with ChatGPT, known for its conversational skills, or BingAI, which excels in integrating search functionality? Before we dive in, I want to hear from you. Who do you think will come out on top? Vote in the poll or drop your guess in the comments below. When it comes to selecting the right AI assistant, there are several key factors to consider. First, what specific tasks do you want your AI to perform? Are you looking for in-depth research assistance, or perhaps you need help with content creation? How about user experience? Is it easy to interact with the AI, and does it provide relevant and accurate results? Let's put these AIs to the test with some real-world tasks. I'll be asking both ChatGPT and BingAI to write a blog post, provide the latest news updates, and even help plan a vacation itinerary. Both ChatGPT and BingAI produced well-structured, informative blog posts with expert opinions and useful tips. However, BingAI had a slight advantage by including reference links, which offer readers easy access to further information and resources. In summary, ChatGPT delivers high-quality content, but BingAI's ability to provide links makes it more versatile, especially for those who value quick access to additional resources. In the latest news demo, ChatGPT provided detailed summaries of the news, offering in-depth information on each topic. However, BingAI had the upper hand by delivering the most up-to-date news, thanks to its real-time search capabilities. Additionally, BingAI provided a broader range of news stories compared to ChatGPT. In summary, ChatGPT excels in delivering detailed news analysis, but BingAI's real-time updates and wider coverage make it more effective for those seeking the latest headlines and a comprehensive news overview. Both tools generated strong, expert-backed blog posts with useful tips. However, BingAI edged out by providing reference links, adding extra value for readers who want to explore further. In short, ChatGPT delivers great content, but BingAI's links make it more resourceful. While both AIs have their own unique user experiences, ChatGPT's interface is generally considered more user-friendly and accessible. BingAI's interface, on the other hand, can feel a bit cluttered and overwhelming, especially for those who aren't tech-savvy. Now, let's have a little fun. I'll ask both AIs to write a short story, or even crack a joke. Which one has a better sense of humor? And to keep things interesting, I'll throw in some unexpected questions like, what's the meaning of life? To see how philosophical or quirky their responses get. Both definitions capture the philosophical depth of the question. They acknowledge that it's a topic that has engaged thinkers and philosophers over time, emphasizing that the search for meaning is a profound and ongoing process. While Chat's definition is more focused on broad categories of meaning, relationships, achievements, etc., the BingAI's definition touches on specific aspects of how one might seek meaning, happiness, impact, knowledge. This can make the second definition feel more actionable and relatable. So, after exploring all these features and capabilities, which AI stands out to you? I want you to vote again. Has your opinion changed? Which AI do you think won the battle? Let's chat in the comments. Personally, while BingAI excels in search functionality, I find ChatGPT's ability to understand context and provide relevant responses makes it the more versatile and reliable choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI-related content. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below.